Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you some steps. By using these steps, you can save your battery at good health. Guys, if your iPhone is draining battery very fast and you are worried and you want to save your battery at good health, I will tell you these steps. And by applying these steps, you can save your battery at good health. So let's start the video. Just simply click on Setting app and go to general. Scroll down. Here is an option background app refresh. Click on that. Background app refresh. Click on that. Wi-Fi and cellular data is tick. You must put it off and back. Scroll down. Sorry, back and scroll down. Accessibility. Click on that. You can see here is an option display and text size. Click on that. Scroll down. Auto brightness is off. It is not good for your battery health. You must put it on. After doing it on, go all the way back. Here is App Store. Just simply click on that. Scroll down. App updates. Automatically install new app updates is on, but it is not good for your battery health. Just put it off. After putting it off, click on back and scroll down. Here is battery. So click on battery health and charging. As you can see, optimized battery charging is off, but it is not good for your battery health. That's why you just put it on. After putting it on, back, and as you can see, here is low power mode. Put it on. After putting it on, just go back. Here is an option privacy and security. Click on that. Location services on first number. Click on location services, and as you can see, it is on, but it should not be on. Just put it off, turn off, and click on back. So here is an option on second number tracking. Just click on tracking, and it is on. Just put it off. After doing it off, just back and back. Go all the way back. Here you can see here is one live wallpaper. So just remove it. It is cause of battery draining. So remove widget, remove. So these were the beneficial steps. By using these steps, you can save your battery health at good level. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.